Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Creators of models like olmo and this Tulu have come up with this gem of a model called as olmOCR. olmOCR is an Apache 2 licensed fine-tuned version of Qwen2VL which you can use to parse any PDF. In this video, we are going to install it locally and then we will try it out on a couple of PDF files to see how it works. But before that, I really want to talk a bit about this model because this model has been created with a purpose in mind. As I mentioned, this model is a general purpose context extraction and linear toolkit or model designed to convert PDFs or even images of documents into clean, plain text. It uses a combination of text and visual information to accurately represent documents in a structured format using Markdown to represent content such as sections, lists, equations, and tables. This was developed to address the challenges of extracting clean and coherent text from digitized print documents, particularly PDF. Now, the idea behind this model is that there is a lot of data out there which is still untapped for training the models. This data is trapped in PDF documents which are hard to read, and that is where this model is trying to help out so that we should be able to extract that data and then we should be using it to train our models, because everyone is complaining about that we have run out of training data, and this model is trying to help out in that regard. So let's try to get it installed. Before that, let me also give a huge shout out to Mast Compute, who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on a very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs. This is my Ubuntu system and this is my GPU card, NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Let's start by creating a virtual environment with Conda, and while that's get created, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentBot. AgentBot lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. And next up, let me install all the prerequisites, which are normally all the usual stuff. But if you look at the last line, it is olmOCR toolkit, which we are installing. And then I am launching my Jupyter notebook. This is going to take a couple of minutes. So let's wait. Okay, so while this is happening, let's talk a bit more about the architecture of this model. So as we have covered a lot of models on the channel, if you just go and search with PDF or something like that, for example, if I do PDF, you will see I have done heaps of tools which can extract and which can decipher or parse the PDF files. And many end-to-end OCR models, such as even GOT theory and NuGet, they exclusively rely on rasterized pages to convert documents to plain text. That is, they process images of the document pages as input to auto-regressively decode the text tokens. This approach, while offers great compatibility with image-only digitization pipelines, it misses the fact that most PDFs are born digital documents, so they already contain either digitized text or other metadata that helps in correctly linearizing the content. That is where this olmOCR leverages document text and metadata, and they call it document anchoring, by the way. And they have a lot of other cool stuff around VLM and how they have used this Qwen model, and they also have shared a lot of benchmarking information as how they have done it. Also, they have provided a recipe to fine-tune these models, which I will be covering in another video, but it is fairly simple. All you need to do is to install their toolkit, and from there you can start the fine-tuning. Okay, so our Jupyter notebook is ready. Now first up, let's download the model. So we are just going to use the Hugging Face libraries, and then we are also getting some of the prerequisite libraries like Pillow for image management and their own olmOCR toolkit. So let's run it, and it is also going to use this processor and tokenizer with the Qwen2VL for the VLM or vision language model. And the model is loaded onto our GPU, and they have also printed out the architecture of the model, and it looks very eerily similar to the Quen models. Okay, and now let's do the inference. For the inference, all I am doing, I am just picking up a local file, PDF file, which is this, which has some images and stuff, and I'm just extracting this data from the first page, and it is pretty dense, I would say. So I already have given the path to it here, and then we are using the document anchoring or the anchoring text, as I mentioned earlier. We are building the prompt template here. We are applying the processor and chat template, and then we are encoding the input with the tokenizer. Model is generating the output with the help of some of the parameters like temperature and stuff, and then we are decoding it back with the tokenizer and printing the response back here. So let me run it, and I'm also going to show you the VRAM consumption. So I am just running it. It is running at the moment. Let's quickly check the VRAM consumption here. So it is consuming just under 20 gig of VRAM. So make sure that you have that much for the full model. Let's wait for it to come back. There you go, it has already done it. And let me quickly show you again. So this is what we are looking at: key concept and then some of the other free flowing text. So if I go here, it has correctly identified that the language is English here, and then some other metadata. And then from here, it has identified key concepts. And then this is the first, and you see it is marked down in that double static because it is bold. As you can see here, it is a heading list bullet point, and that is what shown in that OCR. So very good quality, by the way. And then humans are just this, science is a process. And if I quickly check the text and compare it to this document, I believe that is there is no mistake at all. So very fine stuff. So what it tells us that you can just use any document, just convert it to image and then use it here. And then let me try it with another PDF file. This is just a free flowing PDF file which contains the data about random data about myself. So I'm just going to use it, and it already has finished doing it as I was running it. So if I just quickly scroll down, there you go. So again, English, and then it has told me Fahad Mirza is an AI YouTuber and all that information with all the markdowns. Really good stuff in a sense that it hasn't made any mistake. It is spot on. I don't see even any comma or any full stop missing because I have been using this for a long time. So it looks perfectly good. So look, we have another option now to do the OCR with the AI model. Try it out. Let me know how you go. I will drop the link to this model in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.